Hi, hello everybody. So today I will show you how to do or how to change text date to date format by using many options. So the basic one is to use the add-ins that mentioned in any Excel version by using text to column function. So text to column function, if I have this column which include the text date like what you see. So if I need to separate or split this unneeded information and only take the 10 digits that I want in one column, and then I will move the rest of non needed information the second or the next column beside. So I will select the column, and then I will go to text column and fix with. So I will say okay, I need the 10 digits, the first 10 digits only. So this is my parameter. I need the 10 digits, and then after the 10 digits I will, or please split and will move the rest to the next column. So when I select next and finish, it will separate it into two columns. So the first one having the date format, and the second one is the rest of the text information. This is the first or the basic one. Let's move to the formula. If I have a report or something I extracted from any system and I don't want to change the format of my data, and this data is on a daily basis having updates and it's increased. So for this case I will say to have a formula option is the best model for this action. So for this case I need to first to separate or to extract the first 10 digits from this text column to be in date. So if I will say okay, I will consider to use left equation or left formula to take this text and then to select the number of characters from left side that I need to extract. So it will be the 10 characters again till 9. So I will say 10 and close the practice. It will give me the date that I want. But the problem is if I check this, it will give me also text. And so to solve this problem or to change it to be date format, I need to separate each text from this digits to have year separated and month separated and day separated. Okay, so for this case I need to separate first the day, for example. Okay, I will use left function by saying okay, I need this text A5 to get the first two digits only, which is 0 and 2, and then close the practice to give me date or day number. After that I will say I need the mid or the months which coming in the middle of these characters. I write mid and then say the text, this is my range or this is my text selection, and then I will say starting from the text number or the character number 4 I need 2 characters. So let's count together. This 0 1 dash 1, this is number 4. So after, or so I will select or I will count 4 characters, and the starting from number or character number 4 I will take 2. So I will consider 4 and 5. This is my 2 selection. So this is the first 4, and then from 4 characters I need 2 of them starting from 4. So I will take 4 and 5, then put 2, close the practice. I will have the months. The last one I need the year numbers. I will use right equation, right formula, and inside the text I will select that I need the left or the first 10 digits, which A2, to have this 10. This is my text. So from this 10 text, or from this 10 digits, I need only 4 right digits, which the year digits, and then close, enter, to have the year. So now I have the 3 digits, year, month, day. What I need to do now is to create a date formula, which is date, by taking year and month and day. But I don't want to have this 3 or 4 columns to have it. I need to consolidate all of them in one column. So for this case, I will take the formula that inside this one to be updated here in a year section, and I will take the months to be in the month section, and then day in a day section. So I will enter space to change this as a text, and for each one I will take copy from the equation and add it in this section. This is the year section, and I will move to the month section to take it copy and add it here in the month section, and the last one to take the day section to add it on the day section in my date formula, and then I will close the practice and remove the space to be as formula. I will set enter. Now I will have it as a date format, so then I will copy to see. Okay, this is my date format. So for this case I will not use this information anymore. I will delete it to have it in one column with the date format. I hope you enjoy this video. This is my tutorial, just to show you how to make your business more simple and simplify your data by using the Excel functions, which of course help all of us to accelerate the business and accelerate our day-to-day tasks without any mistakes or having any delays in our tasks. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one, and please wait the next video that I will share soon. Okay, see you, bye bye.